evening, everybody. This is the Wavegenius. I'll be doing the LA forecast for top 20 free stocks, ETFs, and commodities and indexes. So I'll be doing this probably every couple hours on my website, so I can organize my broadcast, and so it's not really a messed up freestyle of crap that usually happens on my broadcast. Anyway, here's a quick sponsorship with my ad that I just created. This is some testimonials from my website.
Nobody better. Listen up, everybody. You have found the master of charting, so look no further.
Hi, my name is Dean Karras. I want to highly recommend Wavegenius.com. I've been a member for approximately 2 years now, and I have found his entry and exits and accuracy to be tremendous. I've been trading for 25 years. 22 of them full-time and 18 profitably, and I can honestly say his system of entry and exit using Elliott Wave along with mine has helped me become more profitable and achieve targets that were virtually unimaginable based on his counts. Again, Wavegenius.com, awesome. Wouldn't trade without it at this point.
Hello, Ted. This is Mr. Ken here in Silver Spring, Maryland. I want to thank you for this awesome website. As you know, I've been a member since November of last year, and I've rode a 500-point S&P wave with you and had a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to the next 500 points up.
Alright, guys. I'm going to start off with S&P 500, then go with Dow, and then I'll go with NASDAQ, and then the S&P E-mini. Start with the S&P 500. I'll log into big charts here. SPX. Start with a 5-day chart. The S&P 500 basically got 5 waves down from 2214 to 2187, bounced in a 4, dropped in a 5, and reversed in a 786 reversal. 786 was around 2208 and it broke through that, but it didn't close above that, so we need to close above it today. And we got a zigzag into the close, and then we rallied back near the midpoint of the intraday high. So what I'm expecting tomorrow is if we break above 2210 at the open is a third wave possibility, and if we break through 2210, the 2214 level could be broken too and set up a third wave. And the highest target on a third wave would be about 30 times 50, about 2245 to 2250. We break out into a third wave. The next index is the Dow. 5-day chart does not look all that clean. It looks very messy. Let's go back to the 3-month chart to get a better idea of what's going on here. Three-month candlestick. That actually looks like 5 waves up. I would hate to say that, but I don't want to say that. Let's go back 6 months here. Actually, that's quite a move. Year-to-date chart. Holy crap! I didn't even know how parabolic the Dow has been going. Looking at this chart, I'm like, wow. If the previous 3 months was a wave 2, the Dow would traveled 3,000 points from 15,500 to 18,700. Got a wave 2 and probably form a third wave. So 5,000 points up from here would be about 23,000. From here, if you got 1, 2, 3, if that's a wave 2 in the past 3 months, but if it's a wave 4 or a wave 2 of 3, the highest target would be, let's see, 1,700 times 1.618, 2,300, about 20,500 would be the next target to the upside of the Dow. The NASDAQ. NASDAQ 10-day chart. NASDAQ got 5 waves down from 5,400 to about 5,240, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Truncated the 5th wave and reversed. The best case scenario is that it takes out yesterday's high at 5,321, sets up a third wave. Highest target would be about 5,400 if you can break through 5,321 tomorrow on a gap up. And right now the futures, let's take a look here at the futures. They're very, very flat right now, so there's no gap up. But if they do gap up, you can expect a third wave if it takes out 5,321. The next stock I'm going to look at is the ESF, the S&P E-mini. S&P E-mini, the actual S&P E-mini shows. Let's go here to forex.com or investing.com. Candlestick. 1 day chart. Weekly chart. It's kind of hard to get a good gauge on this. 1 hour chart. Okay, here we go. The first wave was 2180 to 2207. That's the first wave. 27 points. And we got the correction in wave 2. Intraday was a 2 before 3. The highest target, if we can take out 2207, the S&P E-mini would be as high as, let's see, 2180, 27 times 1.618. Approximately 2245, 2250. Alright, next stock. Let's look at the DAX. DAX is up. Well, futures. Let's take a look at the DAX futures. They're only down about 8. But the DAX chart appears to be oh wow. So 1, 2, 3 setting up here. If the DAX can take out 10,800 to set up a third wave, we got wave 1, wave 2 into wave 3. The highest target on third wave, if it takes out 2210, would be approximately, let's see, 10,500 times 1.618, about 11,200, 11,300, that range. Okay. Let's take a break. Quick break. Let's go to my broadcast, and here we go. Here's another block of testimonials.
Oh, Ted, you are wonderful. You are the master.
Hey, John, it's Kevin. I just want to say thanks for all you've done and the amazing talent that you share with all of us. You do truly have a great talent, and we all greatly appreciate that.
I've been following Ted for some time now. He's nailing these moves right on the button. I would recommend you guys check him out if you haven't already. I know Elliott is foreign to most, but he has taken it to another level, in my opinion.
Ted, I can't believe how accurate your forecasts are. So far, I've been paper trading so I can get the hang of the S&P. Monday, I go live with real money and start trading. It's time I started to make some money with this knowledge. Thank you for your help, Ed Henry.
I am a musician and I am a builder, and I use golden mean and Fibonacci as much as I possibly can with writing music, as well as decks, staircases, and remodels that I do. I know that these ratios and numbers speak to a more fundamental force at work in our universe. When I read your thoughts about the golden mean and Elliott wave effect on trading, it just speaks to me in a way that I could only explain in an aha moment. I also like the simplicity in which you explain your ways of using these concepts. I have checked out other sites and their approach is more technical and less, well, human. Fractals and fib on fib kinds of breakdowns. I do not believe the golden mean is intended to be that convoluted. Nature is elegant and simple, even as it approaches the most complex structures. Evidence of nature's simplicity is there for those that care to look. I am looking for that kind of approach, and your explanations certainly outline a simple macro point of view even when delving into detail. So please count me in as a loyal subscriber. I look forward to learning all that you have to teach. Thanks. Don Best.
Great app. I started using this app last week when it was released. If you're looking for daily and many times hourly updates utilizing wave counts on the stock market, this app is for you. Highly recommended. Thanks.
The app gives short-term updates from the author using Elliott Wave to analyze short-term movements in the stock market for traders. The author has been fairly accurate, so I would give the app 5 stars. Thanks.
All right. The next 4 charts I'm going to be looking at are gold, Euro USD, USD JPY, and I believe, let's see, and Apple. So let's start with gold, the gold chart. Going back on the 5-year chart of gold, it looks like we're getting the 5th wave down right now. We got 1, 2, 3. We got wave 1 from about 1700 to approximately 1500. Wave 2 up to about actually 1800, I believe. Let's see. The high was 1911. So gold, from the gold high, we got wave 1, wave 2 to 1800. Wave 3 from 1800 down to 1046. 4th wave to 1400, and now we're in a 5th wave. Looks like a 5th wave would retest the 1046 low. So we actually broke below 618 support in gold. So we may drop below 1,000 actually. So wave 1, if it was wave 1 equals wave 5, with chart is approximately 950 in gold. Support for 618 needs to be held here. If it doesn't hold, you can probably see 950 to 1,000 in that range in gold. All right, Euro USD. Real quick look at the Euro dollar. Euro USD. Logging into the Euro USD chart right now. I'll give an approximate look here. Let's look short term here. 5-minute chart. Looks like there's a zigzag. It's got a zigzag on the 5-minute chart from 1.0768 to 1.0752. That's A wave, B wave, bounce to 1.0759. C wave down to 1.0739, and then the 4th wave bounce. So if you can cross 1.0755, you can probably set up and move back over 1.0768. So it's ABC, 4th wave, and you get a 5th wave, and again, if it takes that 1.0755 or 786 of the C wave, you'll set up a 3rd wave. Alright, next one is the USD JPY. I've been looking at going back to forex trading. It's been a while. Anyway, like candlestick chart for the USD JPY 15-minute chart. Load, please. For USD JPY. Yeah, I'm basically organizing my radio broadcast so it's not like a big mess of crap and like humming and singing and it's just I want people to like know exactly what to expect from each broadcast. So every I believe every couple hours I'll be doing a 1 hour broadcast of 20 stocks, currency pairs, commodities, ETFs, and indexes that are free. So I can upsell you guys to the trading, basically. That's what I'm here for. I'm not here to show off my abilities. I'm here to make money. To make money on my website as well, along with my trading. All right, come on, USJPY. There we go. Jeez, it dropped from 114.75 to 113.16 in A wave, and it should trace 618 back to around 114.13. In order to break out here, we need to take out 114.5, and if that breaks, it'll set up a third wave, and it could cross 115 on this move. So that one level, 114.55, that breaks, that'll set up a third wave. Alright, next stock is Apple, the only free stock I'm going to be doing. Apple 10-day chart. We actually have wave 1 from 112.5 to 110.15, wave 2, wave 3 down to 108.25, and a bounce in the fourth wave and the fifth wave. Worst case scenario is a fifth wave down to test 106 to 107, but after that fifth wave completes, I'm expecting a reversal back over 111 in Apple. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 618 reversal. Alright, so the next stock on my list is FAS, the FAS, which is banking triple ETF. Financial bull 3 times. Alright, let's take a look at the 5-year chart real quick, or the decade, so everyone can get a good bearing on what's happening here. Daily 1 decade chart, FAS. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this chart. This is one of the most spectacular charts I've seen. This is the start of something huge. I'm looking at this. Wow, where's the BKX? What does that look like? Holy crap. These are some of the best charts I've ever seen. Oh my god, is it that strong? Does Trump's win really that important? Okay, anyway, FAS, long term. I'm going to go long term because this is the best chart I've seen out of everything. Because we got wave 1 from $4 to 35, I'm talking perfect zigzag ABC from around 36 down to 17, and that was the beginning of this year. Wow. We bottomed out at the beginning of this year in the zigzag, and we broke above 35.2, setting up a third wave. FAS's long-term target could be as high as 65 to 70, so almost a double from here. The banking index could double from here. Could double. Because the breakaway gap was just so ferocious, and the breakout above the top of the first wave was so important because it sets up a third wave. And 80% of the time I see this pattern, it happens. So don't ignore this pattern here. Alright, let's take a quick break. How about a music break this time? This is me singing Open Arms by Journey. Hope you enjoy.
Listen up, everybody. You have found the master of charting, so look no further.
Hi, my name is Dean Karras. I want to highly recommend Wavegenius.com. I've been a member for approximately 2 years now, and I have found his entry and exits and accuracy to be tremendous. I've been trading for 25 years, 22 of them full-time and 18 profitably, and I can honestly say his system of entry and exit using Elliott Wave along with mine has helped me become more profitable and achieve targets that were virtually unimaginable based on his counts. Again, Wavegenius.com, awesome. Wouldn't trade without it at this point.
Hello, Ted. This is Mr. Ken here in Silver Spring, Maryland. I want to thank you for this awesome website. As you know, I've been a member since November of last year, and I've rode a 500-point S&P wave with you and had a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to the next 500 points up.